Structured visuals become more powerful when spacing and framing are perfectly controlled. Today, how to design precision frame layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert a grid frame layout and stretch it evenly across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each section, adjusting crops carefully for consistency. Increase spacing slightly between frames to create breathing room. Select the background and apply a neutral or light gray tone. Add thin border elements with low opacity to enhance the structure subtly. Use position tools like Tidy Up to ensure every frame is perfectly aligned. Add minimal text using a modern font. This precision layout technique creates a clean and professional visual system.